Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How do we say those in Chi? Join me as we find out in a few minutes. Hi everyone, my name is Yao and I teach the Asante Chi dialect of the Akan language online. This is lesson 2 under the Chi vocabulary module, and in this lesson we are looking at the days of the week in Chi. This lesson is not about names, but did you know that as an Ashanti, you automatically acquire a name from the particular day of the week that you were born? Yes, for example, I was born on a Thursday and that's why I'm called Yao. We call these names Kradin. Kradin. Kra comes from the word okra, which means soul. Din comes from edin, which is name. So, Kradin translates into English as soul name. So tell me, which day were you born? As we go through the names of the days of the week, we will briefly make mention of the respective male and female names that come with them. You will find a text version of the lesson on www.learnakan.com. Now let's begin. Monday, juada, juada. If you give birth to a male child on a Monday, his soul name or Kradin is Kwejo. If you are a female born on a Monday, you are Ajua. Tuesday, Ebinada. The male name here is Kwabena. And that of the female is Abena. Wednesday, Wukuada. We call Wednesday born males Kweku, and females Equia. And now my day, Thursday, is Yawada. So, as a man born on a Thursday, I'm called Yao. A female born on a Thursday will be called Ya. Friday, Efiada. We have Kofi, and Efia. Saturday, Memeneda. Saturday born males are called Kwame. If you are a female, you are Ama. Lastly, Sunday is Kwesiada. So we have the male name as Kwesi, and the female Akusia. Please take note of how the names are spelled. People are constantly trying to be unique. For this and other unknown reasons, various versions of these very names are surfacing, especially on social media. For instance, it isn't uncommon to come by Kwejo spelled as this, or Ajua spelled as that. You may also come by Kwabna spelled as, Kweku as, Ekia as, Kofi spelled as, and Efia spelled as. It appears the QU replacement of the tree digraph is very popular, as Kwame is spelled by some as. Some also spell Kwesi as this or that, and Akosia as. You may choose to write these names however you please, but if it is Chi that you are writing, then you must know that the Chi alphabet doesn't include the letters Q, J, and C that you are using. Also, combining the letters P and H in Chi does not give you the sound F as you may have in English. In fact, the combination of P and H in Chi doesn't result in any usable sound. And this brings us to the end of the lesson. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Thank you, have a good day, and see you in our next class.